So friends, as in the previous aphorism, we have seen about the totality of the symptoms, and this totality of the symptoms we are going to consider as a whole picture of the disease, and the totality of the disease we are going to use as a sole mission for the selection or choice of remedy. This selection of remedy we are going to use in that diseased person for the removal of disease in its whole extent. Now we will see how this disease it is going to be removed. This disease it is going to be removed with the help of medicines. So these homeopathic medicines we are going to use on the basis of similarity. Now we will see how these medicines they should have to act on that diseased person. What should be their action at the time of in the use of that deceased person. In the aphorism number 19, Dr. Samuel Hahnemann says, when you are going to use these medicines, they should have the capability to produce its alterations in the health of man. Disease can be cured by medicines if they possess power of altering man's health. Means these medicines which you are going to use for the treatment, they should have that capability to alter the man's health, state of health. It should be changed by those medicines. What is the meaning of this? As we have seen, the diseases they are the effects because of the derangement of the vital force, and this derangement it is caused because of the morbid influences which are in the spiritual form. So as the disease it is caused because of the spiritual morbific influences, these derangements of the vital force they should be treated by those medicines which are having the capability to alter the state of man's health. Both of these two things they are same. One thing it is in the natural disease and another thing it is in the medicinal action. One thing in the disease and another thing it is in the medicinal actions. So in this aphorism we have seen only those medicines they can cure the disease which are having the capability, which are having the power to alter the state of health in the human being. So this property of medicine to alter the state of health, how it can be obtained, how it can be gained. So in the aphorism number 20, he has said that this property of medicine is ascertained by their effects on healthy human being. Here we have seen the capability of medicine, it is to alter the state of health. Now in this aphorism we have seen that these medicines they can be tested for the property to alter the healthy state by using healthy human beings. The property of medicine it is tested, it is proved on healthy human being, and by using these healthy human beings we are going to ascertain the property of medicine as their manifestations. This property of medicine ascertained by their effects on healthy human beings. In these two aphorisms we have seen the disease it can be cured only by those medicines they are having the capability to alter the state of health. And how this property of medicine we will study? We will study this property of medicine by using the healthy human being. In the healthy human being we are going to ascertain the property of medicine which is used for the cure of disease. That's all.